Hey guys, in this video I'll show you where to find your trash bin inside your Android mobile device. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on vital information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright guys, to find your trash bin, click on your My Files app inside your Android device. And then from here I want to click back. And now I'm in this section here. So where it says storage, scroll down. And then it's got utilities at the bottom, so you want to click on recycle bin here. So now this is where all your files that you have deleted will appear. So if you want to remove these files or restore them, just simply click on which file you want to restore or delete permanently. So if you want to restore it, click on restore, or if you want to delete, click on delete. And as it says here, this recycle bin shows items deleted from My Files gallery and some third-party apps. These items will be permanently deleted after 30 days. So yeah, this is a quick video of how to find your trash bin inside your Android device. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.